Hello, welcome to Hennepin Marine. Today we have a 2024 Excel 1864 Switchblade. This is a brand new model from Excel Boats. For this year, we're supposedly one of the first dealers to have this. This boat is shown in OptiFade timber and color, sitting on a Diamond City single axle bunk trailer, aluminum trailer with aluminum mag rims, belly mounted spare tire, swing tongue, deluxe LED lights. Boat has the LED headlight here, color matched in OptiFade timber. These little rubber pieces will detach and allow that light to swivel in the front. Bow troller platform here, integrated LED lights for your navigation lights. Boat is powered by a Mud Buddy 50 HDR EFI. This boat has a 7-foot 10-inch beam, 18-foot in length, and Excel did a great job on this one. Finish the walk around here and we'll climb inside and look at this boat. Excel 1864 Switchblade. Welcome aboard the all-new 1864 Switchblade from Excel Boats. We're going to do a walk through here. Start at the bow. Has a nice bow casting platform, built-in 11-gallon fuel tank. This door here is lockable, some additional storage, but there's your fuel tank. We have the bow troller kit, 12-volt wiring. You can run a 24 or 36-volt troller off this as well. Have the Excel OptiFade timber bow LED headlight there. Tempera seat at the bow here, and nice open floor plan here in the back of the boat. Has a nice tray here on the starboard side, nice long tray for rods or to set guns in there. As you can see, the stern navigation light there doesn't even go from end to end. Little center here by the driver's seat with your accessory switches. Has a spot to do a RAM phone holder there, and then fuel gauge and 12-volt power point. We have ours upgraded with a stand-up bar, grab bar for the Mud Buddy with the integrated trim switch. Rear captain seat there. A small little cubby hole there with ventilation and drainage in it. Here at the back of the boat, your bilge pump, plenty of room to put an additional battery in there if you wish to, or do a lithium battery to conserve space and weight. Mud Buddy 50 HDR EFI geared down with hour meter. This motor is color matched to the boat. Here's your trim switch and your forward reverse switches, integrated grab bars at the back. This boat does have 2 spud poles, one bracket here and the other one up at the front. We'll show you in just a moment. Cup holder there, a little bit smaller tray on the port side. And lastly, that last spud pole holder is right there. If you have questions regarding this boat or any of our boats at Hennepin Marine, please give us a call, 815-925-7216. Thanks for watching.